Okay, we just got out of the reptile show, and I have my baby. My little baby. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I mean, good God. Hello. Hello, baby bottom. Oh. Oh. What shall I name you? Let go. Oi. There we are. That's a good boy. Get you home. Get you set up. Sweet, beautiful boy. Oh my. Whoa.